117 subscribers, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole. We've got Bridget on the camera.
Hi guys.
And we've got Melissa.
Hi.
Melissa is here to open up her very first Stitch Fix box. But before we get started, we are going to learn a little bit more about her.
I'm really kind of a classic dresser.
What does classic mean to you?
Not fussy. I don't like a lot of ties and bows and shit on it so that I want to put my outfit on and then I don't want to think about it again.
Yeah.
I don't want to put it on and then walk around and be like, oh, this bow is not tied right, or it's not here, that would be kind of a nightmare.
So our last guest, your sister, Mandy, she was a former QVC model. And I heard that you were a former hand model.
I wouldn't doubt it. I keep looking at your nails while you're talking. They're fabulous.
I had visions of that in my youth. One of those things you're like 20, like, how can I make money without working? And I had photos taken, but I actually never did anything with them.
How are you doing the pictures? Like, did you have a hand model photographer? Or
yeah.
And what did they have you do?
I held a Christmas ornament.
Pinkies out.
And cups, things like that. And then he gave me the photos and he goes, I do have to tell you, I used one of these for my Christmas card. I was like,
that's creepy.
There we go. Look at all of that.
Jewelry. I'm kind of surprised.
So it looks like a stud earring.
Yeah.
That's cute.
I liked it.
Is it black or navy?
I think it's navy. Mauve open cardi.
I think my mom got that.
She
same
did get
thing.
that one.
It's
yeah,
soft.
she almost kept it too.
Yep.
Whoa.
Lot of neck.
Look how nice that is.
This looks cozy. It looks good.
Is really
Oh my
interesting.
God.
Oh, it's got
I
a
like
thumb hole.
Those are really nice.
Yeah. I think they're going to have a little stretch.
Oh, they're Liverpool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So something about this box, you can have multiple outfits in these 5 pieces. Like
That
it
is
all goes together.
Yeah.
If I got that box, it'd be a 5 for 5.
We are back and Melissa is modeling the first 2 pieces from the box. Over top, she is wearing the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Hall's brushed knit cardigan in the color purple.
I like the stretch.
Okay.
And the, pockets. It's soft. It it's cozy. I have a little issue with this kind of fabric.
Oh, let's explore that.
This kind of fabric I found doesn't look like this after you wash it, and that's kind of one of my things.
So you're worrying about it pilling or just
A little
stretching?
bit of just not coming, out of the wash, not this nice and soft.
Underneath the sweater, she's got on the Beacon patty roll tab top.
I like this kind of shirt. It's wash it, dry it,
Yep.
and it looks like this. So
Right.
You don't have to iron.
It's probably like a polyester.
Yeah, it's really stretchy.
Got some stretch to it.
Did you do a little twirl so
Little
we can
twirl.
look at the back?
And this is
It's good stuff.
a nice piece. It's got a little bit of darting in the back, so it brings things in and gives it a little bit more shape. With the cardigan, you've got it for, ready for work wear, but you could also pair it with a pair of jeans and a high boot and go meet your sisters at the bar.
Yeah. We're back and Melissa is modeling the final pieces from the box. You are now looking at the Market and Spruce Sharon Thumbhole Cotton Sweater.
Ooh, and we've got the thumbs in the holes.
Yeah. I love a thumb hole. That's a good thing for me.
It's not covering up too much of your hands. Your beautiful modeling hands.
Well,
Not only does it have unique thumb holes, but it looks almost like you're wearing one of those fingerless gloves
it does.
under it.
Yeah. I would have never picked this out of anywhere
Yeah.
because of the neck.
Mm-hmm.
I would have stayed away from it, but I'm like so cozy. It's very soft and it's thick, but not overly thick. Like I don't feel like this in it, but I feel.
Yeah.
And on the bottom, she is wearing the Jacqueline Skinny Pant by Liverpool in dark purple. How do you feel about the pants?
The pants fit me good.
Mm-hmm.
And they're comfortable. I could, sit and move and everything
Yeah.
because they got a lot of stretch. But yeah, weirdly they're long and tight on the calves. I would never pick this color again, but I don't mind it.
As her 5th item, Melissa received these earrings. They're an 18-karat gold-plated stud earring.
Okay.
We won't be trying them on because that's gross, but they would look nice with just about any outfit. First item are the gold-plated earrings.
I like them. They're nice, neutral, but I already have that in a diamond. I never take them out.
In the bag. The next item, this little V-neck tab sleeve shell.
I didn't mind it, but I have a lot like that, so
In the bag. Alright, up next are the pants.
but I did not love the fit. Sadly, I'm gonna put those in the bag, but I kind of love them.
Okay, so now we have this giant cowl neck sweater.
Okay, this is something I never would even look at in the store, but I want this.
Yes.
Alright.
I love it.
So untag for the sweater.
Untag.
And the final piece of the box, this open front cardigan.
I like the color, I like the softness, however, I'm just not into this fabric. I don't think it's going to hold up, so I'm going to make it.
In a bag.
Your first Stitch Fix box is complete. You've got a free sweater.
Beautiful free sweater.
Nice sweater.
Thank you to everyone for watching this video. Thank you, Melissa, for joining us. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing, and we hope to see you all in the next video.
So, these pants really, really show off your legs. Would you say that you have legs and know how to use them?
Oh God.
It's the lyric to ZZ Top.
That's what my guess was.
So, do you want to chat about that?
Mark had
Mark.
my brother. I don't know if it was even a contest. It was kind of like a work thing,
Okay.
and he played the guitar and sang
Uh-huh.
that song. And then he's like, "Would you, be like my have legs person walking across the damn stage?" I had like a leather skirt on about this, like this, and sunglasses, and I freaking walked across that stage, scared to death. Yeah,
All right.
young and dumb.